Let's take a look at this screwdriver kit. This is from Xiaomi Precision Screwdriver Kit. You get 24 pieces. Comes in metallic case, magnetic bit storage, and a aerodynamic design. This also has won quite a few awards. Costs around 1,499 rupees or $20 or so. Simple packaging. So let's see what we get. Some warnings. They have the maximum torque info. I don't even know how much that is. You get a user manual and you have the info about all the different bits here. That's how the case looks. This is made out of metal. You have a rotating head. Rather than twisting it like this, you can just put your finger here and let this do the work. And they also show you how the screws look for each of these. They also have the names etched on them. To release it's quite easy. They're held there magnetically. Looks really sleek. That's a really sleek screwdriver kit. Beautifully designed product, quite nice. Check it out. Xiaomi is known for their phones. If Apple started designing things other than the phone, screwdriver set from Apple would be quite amazing. Really pricey though, but quite amazing.